little car's Verduzco built right here. Thanks to the help of my beautiful queen right here. Helped me out a lot. It's early in the morning right now. I'm waiting to go to work. It's currently 6:04 a.m. in the morning. This is my car, 1999 Honda Civic. Now, I don't know about you guys, but me personally, this pisses me off. This right here pisses me off a lot. When you park your car somewhere and a dog piss on your tire, I don't know, that gets me mad. But here she is, look, my clean little Civic. Life out here, look. This is my view every single morning when I go to work. Well, besides when I'm not in school. Just got out of work, trying to go home. This is a little project between me and my dad right here. This is all I'm doing right now, just cleaning all the gasket. So I can put on the new one. Alright guys, I've been shaking this for like 10 minutes. It's copper spray a gasket, and then I'm going to be spraying it on the gasket. I bought this at O'Reilly's. I think I paid like 40 something bucks for it. Instructions, I don't need those. I never read instructions. Oh, well, I've never used this. I'm assuming it's like spray paint. This thing is heavy. Alright guys, just got done with the engine. Right now I'm just putting oil in the engine. I also did an oil change, thanks to the help of my beautiful queen right here. She helped me out a lot. Her little tiny hands helped out a lot on the spots I couldn't reach. Yeah, that's basically it. There's baby Bean. Bean! Alright guys, right now all I'm doing is priming it up, letting the fuel pump some gas into it. See, it's first started with the new head gasket. Let's see if I put everything back together, how it should go. What the hell was that?
But congratulations.
Alright guys, I figured out my mistake. My dumbass forgot to tighten this. The whole intake manifold, so I'll be back in like 30 minutes when I'm done tightening everything. Alright, try number 2. Let's see if it doesn't rev up again. Nice. Hell yeah, baby. Give me 5. Thank you. What the hell? Give me 5. Give me 5.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. still hasn't even warmed up yet. Oh man, I gotta check engine light. Linking to vehicle. About time to clear that little check engine light out. That's what's turning on my check engine light. I don't know about you guys, but I really think this is commitment right here. Put the whole car together today. Got it all done. Came to buy Al's Rico's Tacos. Got here at 8:56. I had a 35-minute drive right now for them not to sell me tacos. Car's Verduzco built right here. From me and my dad. And from my brother-in-law, my sister, and my girl right there. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.